We all love flowers in our garden and we want that a lot of flowers should be there in our garden. But a lot of us, we are beginners or maybe we don't have that time that we can take care of our flowers. So we want those plants, we want to go to nursery and garden centers and buy those plants that we can come and plant, and then we don't need to take much care of them, and then we can get as many flowers as possible from those plants. Let us today see a list of plants that I have for all of you that I want to recommend, because these plants you do not need to do any care, absolutely zero care. And these plants, all of them, one thing is very common, that they are flowering plants and they all have to be planted in full sun. Now when I say full sun, that means that it should be planted in a place where it receives sun from morning to evening. That ways it will give a lot of flowers and you won't have to take much care of it. And also you have to keep in mind one thing, that some of them you can plant in pots, but most of them if you plant in ground it will give you better results. But again, there is no limitation, you can always plant them in a pot as well. It's just that when a plant is planted in a pot, the speed of the growth is a little slower and you will not get that good results what you can get when the same plant is planted in the soil directly. The first plant that I have is bougainvillea. It is also known as bougainvillea. Now again, a lot of colors, I mean red, pink, fuchsia, white, orange and whatnot. Even if you plant this one, I mean in 4 or 5 corners of your garden where you have full sun, a lot of sun, this plant loves a lot of sun, you will see that there are so many flowers in your garden. Basically the leaves of this plant are of different colors. That's actually not the flower, but then when this plant has a lot of leaves of different colors, that time it gives that look of flower and it looks beautiful. So bougainvillea is definitely one of my favorites. Second is oleander. Now again, one of those plants which absolutely requires zero care. In lot of colors, white, pink and red are the most common ones, even yellow. Even if you plant 4 5 at a safe distance, like let's say 2 feet, and all of them of different color, your garden will have a lot of different colors of flowers. You will have pollinators coming to your garden, because honeybees and all, they will love. You will not have a lot of them, and the pink color especially, I feel that it gives a very beautiful smell. In the white and the yellow oleander you don't get that sweet smell, but in the pink oleander plant you get that very beautiful sweet smell. So planting this again in full sun is a good option. Next is one of my favorites, and that is geranium. Geranium can again be planted in a pot or straight away in the ground in the soil. If you even take a cutting of a geranium from somewhere, if you have it in your neighbor's garden or anywhere, you can just ask them, take a cutting, put it straight in the soil where there is full sun and just water it every third or fourth day. You will see that when geranium gets full sun, it will give you so many flowers. Again, a lot of colors available, so even if you plant different colors, you will have that variety of flowers in your garden. The other that I want to recommend are marigold, then there is vinca, then there is moss rose, which is also known as portulaca, and then there is adenium. Now these 4 can be planted in pots. It's better to plant them in the pot because it gives good result, because sometimes in ground if they get more water they will die because they don't like a lot of water, whether it is portulaca, moss rose or adenium, because these are all desert plants. Moss rose and adenium, these are all desert roses, and they will give you a lot of flowers, lot of colors, only if they are not overwatered and they are planted in full sun. So these are the plants that I wanted to share. Even vinca for that matter, very easy, just plant 5 6 in your soil or even in the pots, and you will see so many colors in your garden, and literally you do not need to look at them, because all they need is, if you plant them outside in full sun, water it, rare, they don't like a lot of water, so water only if you feel like let's say once in a week is more than enough. So you don't need to every day go out and look at them and just take care of them, not required. Even these plants, they don't need a lot of fertilizer while planting. If you give them some cow manure or organic compost, that's more than enough, or just fertilize them once in a year or twice in a year, that's even okay. So just keep in mind with these ones, these are those ones where if you are interested in getting a lot of flowers in your garden and you don't have time to take care, these are the best options. But make sure, again I'll repeat myself, they need full sun. I hope that this list helped you, and go for them. You will see that you are very happy, because without doing anything you will literally get a lot of results, and you never know, this might motivate you to get more and more different types of plants. With that, I'll take your leave for this video, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.